Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll show you how to use split screen view in Mac. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have opened my Google Chrome. So you will just hover over to this button here, and which is a green light button, and then you will exit full screen. You'll click on exit full screen, and next off you can see it's already divided. In case if you have not done this before, this will be resized into a different size, so you can just hover over to this button again and move and resize this either on the right or on the left or on the top or on the bottom. So you have all this option. Let's say I want to move this to the right side of the screen. I'll select this, and there you go, it's moved here. And now next thing is to open another application. Let me open Photos, and you can just drag and drop this wherever you want. In case this application or the current application is not resized and is not split equally, you can just resize this using this option here, from where you can just select this corner of the screen and resize this as per your requirements. And now we have both the applications running. When you click on the one, the other one will not be closed. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.